this is the finished look of this unit right here. So this unit was sent to me from YSwigs.com. So this unit is 180% density, it's 22 inches long. This is a natural color and it's 13x6 lace front curly wig. So this is just a lace front. There's a little bit of lace in the back if you want to do kind of like an upstyle, whatever, but you guys know I really don't care about that. That's what 360 wigs are for. So with this one, I just glued the perimeter down here and I didn't do any customizations with this unit. This unit actually came to me pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So this unit is very, very nice, guys. I just did like a little fold up with the baby hair's hair and just kind of smooth this one into this area, and that was that. I didn't go and do like ear tabs either because the ear tab section kind of did its little thing as well, so I didn't have to go crazy with that. The wig actually fit my head very, very nicely. You guys know that I'm a medium to average cap size head, so this one fit me good. I did have to adjust the straps just very slightly on here just to make it fit like extra snug, but other than that, I think that this unit is very nice. The curl pattern is super duper pretty. I did wet it and let it air dry. You guys did see me before when I was looking like monster in the morning, and then I came obviously and did my makeup and then showed you guys what it looks like now. So I did put a little bit of water in it, so now it's dried up, you know, completely. You guys know that I do not like playing with the hair. I like to let it air dry. So this is a true texture, and before I did actually co-wash this, so therefore it was already co-washed when I put it on, so therefore this is a true pattern once you wash it and everything. This is not the package curl, this is co-washed all together. So this is how nice and pretty it is, guys. Like I said, I think that this came out super nice. YS Wigs definitely has amazing wigs. You guys know I rave about it all the time. I didn't have to do anything. The glue I used was the Got2b glue, so it just kind of ate the glue up, and the lace is like magic AF. So I tell you guys, this is like all my YS Wigs reviews are the same. Their wigs are meltable. They look good. It's just like an instant slay, guys. Like, I think that this looks amazing, and I don't know. So I will leave all the information down below, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit from YSwigs.com. Now, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.